Good morning, YouTube. I want to show you my shower door that I have. That is the Ove Sedona 60. They are a French-Canadian company. Bought this shower door at Lowe's. Installed it in my new tile shower. The problem I was having, and I'm thinking other people have had this, I installed this. My house is a spec house, so it's not straight. Got everything straight. But when I installed it, the door, I would close it and it would just drift back open. Not much, about right here, but I've actually fixed it. And the simple fix I've done is I just added a piece of duct tape right behind this second wheel. And when I talk about a piece of duct tape, it's the size of my pinky nail, maybe half of that. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. That is the size of the piece of tape that I installed. And simply what happens is the door wheel rolls over it and just causes a little notch. And it creates that tight seal against your tile wall. So instead of trying to disassemble and trying to straighten everything up and level this top bar, because my top bar was just slightly out of level, but it was just enough for the door to pull back. And that small piece of tape that the wheel can come over and then kind of catches, solves the problem. Hope this helps.